Good day, guys. So this is the start of another year. This is the new planner of Starbucks, which I usually collect for my, not for me, although I do love this as well, but for my clients and sometimes for my student as well, yung mga top na students ko. So ito siya. Let's unbox this. This is it. Unboxing. But first, here we go. Ayan siya. It's heavy. Ito yung last year. Ayan siya. So meron siyang notebook. And ito yung lalagyan niya ng mga cards. And of course, everything. So, mabalik lang natin to. This is the new one, 2005. Let's see. Hirap isa lang kamay ko. Ayan, then let's see. Okay. Meron siyang magnetic parang pang seal. And it has some pouch here and a notebook or the planner itself. Ayan, paano ba to? Ayan, tingnan mo natin itong pouch. So you can use this to put your cell phone. I think that's huge enough to, kahit yung cell phone ko kasya. Ayan, kasya siya. And you can use this. This one is the pouch for the planner, or I guess you can use it for any purpose. Your favorite novel, book, small book, or your notebook. But of course, it's designed for this one. But I think I would love this. Look at the leather. Very nice. Very smooth. May friction, but it touches, it feels smooth actually. Makintab, may magnetic sealing, parang lock. Okay, and let's open this planner. So this is the planner. Nakalagay lang siya dito, and this is it looks like it's gold. See? Gold siya. Oh, ang ganda. Mas maganda to kaysa sa previous one. I would prefer this one. Beautiful. And look at that. There is some stars here, clip. And let's see. Oh, natatanggal pala yung star thing. And I think I would prefer this from last year. So tingnan natin. Ayan siya. The month. Some stylish design. Month boxes, naka-box. And then the daily parang siyang notebook. I think this is better for me. I think planners depende sa sa'yo, sa personality mo. But I would prefer this one. Mas marami ang masusulatan. Look at that, January. But it's a little bit thick. Smooth, parang may pagka-moleskin yung texture at saka yung color. And divider per month. Meron siyang design. And I think this looks like a European town. Maybe Italy or Spain. And you go back to the next month. Ganun pa rin. Nice. Okay, so, and then the last month, December, and then you have extra pages for notes. So, ayan, ganda. Yun lang masasabi ko, ang ganda. Inamoy talaga. Bango eh. Siyempre, may bago. Pero, these are for, nabuksan ko na, so I guess this is for me na. But for my clients, you can start planning your future, your goals with this. Just message me. Alam nyo na to guys. For my students naman, mag-aral kayong mabuti dahil ang highest sa batch or maybe per section kung kaya sa budget. I usually stay or work in Starbucks naman. I usually study there, I work there, I can focus there. I actually don't like drinking coffee. Ironic, di ba? Pero kasi it's the place that where I want to focus, to study, to work, to chill na rin. Relaxing study, I would say relaxing study. Kasi minsan, pag nasa bahay parati, parang nakaka-boring din naman. House is for rest. And sometimes I cannot focus at home. So I usually stay in Starbucks. And thank you, Starbucks, for your yearly Christmas Starbucks tradition. This will benefit me and my clients as well. Ayan, so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the 2025 Starbucks planner. Yun lang. Bye-bye. Cheers!